Good day, guys. In today's video we are going to learn how to do this by using Adobe Illustrator. And this is what we are going to do. In case if you don't see it on the white background, or just try this background. You see the alpha logo. That is what we want to do today. So guys, let's move on. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like. Don't forget to share the videos with your loved ones. And if you have any question or anything you don't know, you can just ask in the comment button below. Then in order to continue, open your Illustrator file, then create new document. In case you don't know how to set up a new document, you have to watch my previous video. I've already told them how to set up a new document where we are using RGB color mode, while the screen effect is 72 pi. Then all we have to do now is just click the create button. Then when the create button comes, when the interface is open, then all you have to do now is just pick on your pencil tools. In case you don't see your pencil tools, just right click, there's pencil tools there, you just have to click it. Or you can press your N. In order, if you don't see any of it here, you can just click on your N, the N on your keyboard, then the pencil tool is going to show up. Then all you have to do now is just draw the part for that. Just draw the part for the alpha, like something like this. So you see, then all you have to do next is just pick your ellipse tools. In case you don't see ellipse tools here, you just have to right click, then pick the ellipse tools, then hold on shift, draw the ellipse, drop your tools, then click on Alt, hold on Alt, hold on Alt, just have to hold on Alt. Oh sorry, I didn't hold on Alt. Then or you can just Ctrl C, then Ctrl V. As you can see, when the Alt, but normally if you hold on the Alt button, then drag it down, it's going to work. Like now, let's try it again. Hold on Alt. Hold on Alt. Then click it, then move it. When you move it, then resize it. Now you just want to create something like this, just walk after me. Then you just have to hold on Alt again in order to duplicate this in the other side of this. Yep. And then all you have to do now is just make this a compound part by going to your object, then click on compound part, then make. So when you've created the compound parts, then come here, as you can see the greatest tools under the color here, then just click here, then pick gradient. For that gradient, choose, I would like to use linear, so one should be at the middle here. Then just give this one a color red, something like color red. Then the other one too should be given that color. Then the one in the middle should be given something like black, I think so. So all you have to do now is just have to resize it in order for it not to be big enough by holding down your shift, then resize it to this extent. Just resize it, then hold on the Alt again here, then duplicate it somewhere here. Then highlight both of them. By highlighting both of them, then go to the align, then make their vertical center to be the same in order for them to be on a straight line. Then when they are the same, then all you have to do is just come to object, then let's use the blend tools, go to the blending option. In the spacing, just click, then click on specify step, then choose, let the step to be 222, which means 222. Then click on OK. Then let's go back to the blend again. You have to make blend. So you see something has changed. Then when you have already made the blend, then just align both of them together, then come to object, then come to the blend again, then replace spine. You see, I think something like that, but it might not be up to like that of this, but that is how I did it. As you can see, then all you have to do is, the next thing I did there was just make some, wait, you can just make, so that is it. And you can make the one at the back to come to the front and the one at the front to go to the back if you like, by clicking on the object again, by going to the blend tools here. Then you see revise span to back, you see that one is coming up. And if you like it like this, you can leave it or just change it back. Then I think I should change it back because it's looking wide like this, it's not looking like an alpha. Then you have to go back to it again, then choose on the blend, revise span, you see. So all the thing I did again is just going to the appearance panel, then add stroke, add a new stroke to it. Then the new stroke should be given something like color red, like this. Then you see when it's like this, then all you have to do is just click on the functions, then go to part, offset. You want to offset the stroke so that it's not going to look something weird. So you have to press this offset, then give it just, I think 10 pixels is okay. Then click on OK. Then all you have to do again in order for it to look good is just come to the pathfinder, then click on add. Then I think it's processing, then you see, and that is how we did it. And if this doesn't look gloomy enough, you can change it. If you don't want to see all those dark line on it, you can just double click it. Sorry, now I've double clicked it. You just have to click it, then go to the blend, go to the blending option, then increase the step. It's going to make it to look good, like very good. You're going to see, sorry, it's making it, sorry, like you have to wait for a second. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to always drop comments so that I can know which one we should teach next and which one you should know and which one I do not have to repeat myself on it. So guys, please try and always work with us, always, so that we can know what you are going to work on the next video. In case you have anyone you do not know, just okay guys, I think I need to reduce the step because my system RAM is not up to that can process this. Then I reduce it to 600 bench. Just click on OK. Then when the OK comes, it's processing again, and that is it. As you can see, that is all I did here. Then what I just did next is I just just pick alphabet, then just type in as alpha. Just have to increase the font to the print of the front something higher, so that it's going to look good. And I just have to type my alpha in capital letter, P alpha, and drop the tools. What I did next is just looking at this one height, the height, then I copy the height, Control C, then I came here, click on this again. Just all you have to do is just paste the height here. Then when you paste the height here, just Control V, then divide it by using a golden ratio value. Divide it by using the golden ratio value, which is 1.618, so that you are going to get your subject that you are going to use, so that it's not going to look rough. Then just, I think area will be good, so let's look for area here. This area here, let's use this. I think I use this. Then I have to bring it here, as you can see. Then when you drop it here, and all you have to do is just click on this, then give it something that looks like that color. Then that is it. So think you guys learned something today, and you can change the color here too if you wanted to change the color, but that one is going to be in our next video. So that is how we create that or an alpha image. Then the last thing I did here is just come here, then just add a background color to it by drawing this. Then I gave the background color black, then I gave this color white so that I can switch between both of them. Then you have to go to object, go to arrange, set it to back, or press Ctrl Shift, open bracket. Then you see when it has been to the back, then all I have to do is just this, as you can see. So that is how I did it. Then I think that is all, and that is all. So thank you guys for listening to this video. We'll meet in our next video. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and don't look at it like it's not up to that standard. I think if you do yours very well, it's going to look like this, because that's how I did it. It takes time to draw something like this, so it takes me up to like 3 minutes to draw a perfect alpha shape. But if you have your time, you can just sit down behind it, then draw a perfect alpha shape, then use that method that I told you guys. You are going to get something like this. So thanks guys, and don't forget to like and comment please. And that is all for today. Bye guys.